fish fans! Today let's meet the funny telescope goldfish. This cute pet fish lives in aquariums all around the world, especially popular in countries like China, Japan, and the USA. The telescope goldfish enjoys eating fish flakes, small insects, and plants. With its big, round, telescope-like eyes, the telescope goldfish looks very special. It can live about 10 to 15 years. The telescope goldfish loves swimming slowly and showing off its shiny scales. This is a sailfish. Hi, speedy swimmers. Let's meet the sailfish, one of the fastest fish in the whole ocean. The sailfish lives in warm waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, near countries like Mexico, Japan, and Australia. This amazing fish eats sardines, anchovies, and squid. A sailfish can live about 4 to 10 years and loves chasing schools of fish. Did you know the sailfish has a tall, sail-like fin that helps it swim super fast? This is a panda. Hello, bamboo lovers. Meet the panda, a gentle bear with black and white fur. The panda lives in the mountain forests of China. It enjoys eating bamboo the most, but sometimes also fruits and small plants. A panda can live about 20 years in the wild and even longer in care. These animals love climbing trees, rolling on the ground, and taking long naps. The panda is calm, cute, and one of the most loved animals in the world. This is a turkey. Hello, farm friends. Let's meet the turkey, a big bird with shiny feathers and a funny wattle under its chin. The turkey lives on farms and in the wild, especially in the USA, Canada, and Mexico. This bird loves to eat seeds, fruits, and small insects. A turkey can live about 10 years and enjoys walking in groups. Did you know the turkey can spread out its tail feathers like a fan? That makes the turkey look amazing. This is a Cuora flavomarginata. Hi, turtle fans. Let's meet the Cuora flavomarginata, also called the yellow-margined box turtle. The Cuora flavomarginata lives in forests and wetlands in countries like China, Taiwan, and Japan. It eats fruits, worms, snails, and leafy plants while wandering on land and in shallow water. The Cuora flavomarginata can live more than 30 years and enjoys hiding in its hard shell when it feels scared. Isn't the Cuora flavomarginata a brave and unique turtle friend? This is a silver arowana. Hello, friends. Let's meet the shiny silver arowana. This special fish lives in the rivers and lakes of South America, especially in Brazil and Peru. The silver arowana loves to eat insects, smaller fish, and sometimes even frogs that hop near the water. It can jump high out of the water to catch its food. The silver arowana can live up to 10 to 15 years. This fish enjoys calm waters and is famous for its long, silver body that looks like a ribbon. Hello, ocean explorers. Let's meet the sperm whale. This giant lives in deep oceans all around the world, from Asia to America. A sperm whale enjoys eating giant squid and fish. They can live more than 70 years. The mighty sperm whale is the largest toothed whale. Loves diving very deep to hunt and spends time swimming with its family group. This is a squirrel. Hi, tree climbers. Let's meet the squirrel, a quick little animal with a fluffy tail and bright eyes.
The squirrel lives in forests, parks, and gardens in countries like the United States, Canada, and India. It eats nuts, seeds, and fruits, and loves storing food for winter. The squirrel can live about 6 to 12 years and enjoys jumping from branch to branch. Isn't the squirrel a clever and playful friend of the trees?
Hi, ocean adventurers! Today, let's meet the rare Bowmouth guitarfish. This special animal lives in tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, near countries like Thailand, Australia, and India. The Bowmouth guitarfish enjoys eating crabs, shellfish, and small fish, using its strong jaws to crush hard shells. With its body shaped like both a shark and a ray, the Bowmouth guitarfish looks very unique. It can live about 25 years. The Bowmouth guitarfish loves swimming near sandy sea bottoms. This is a narwhal. Hello, ocean explorers. Meet the narwhal, sometimes called the unicorn of the sea because of its long spiral tusk. The narwhal lives in the icy Arctic waters near Canada, Greenland, and Russia. This special whale eats fish, squid, and shrimp. A narwhal can live about 40 to 50 years and usually travels in groups called pods. Did you know the narwhal uses its tusk to sense the environment? That makes the narwhal truly magical. This is a pig. Let's meet a chubby farm buddy, the pig.
The pig can be found on farms all over the world, from Asia to Europe and America. It loves to eat fruits, vegetables, grains, and sometimes even leftovers. A pig can live about 15 to 20 years if cared for well. People raise them for meat, but they are also very smart animals. The pig enjoys rolling in mud to stay cool, playing with friends, and exploring with its curious nose.
This is a penguin. Hi there, little explorers. Today, let's meet the adorable penguin. This cute bird lives in cold places like Antarctica, Chile, and South Africa. The penguin loves to eat fish, squid, and tiny shrimp called krill. Even though it cannot fly, it swims super fast in the ocean. A penguin can live about 15 to 20 years. They enjoy sliding on the ice and staying close in big groups called colonies. The penguin is a true champion of the snowy world. This is a hyena. Hey kids, meet the hyena. This wild animal lives in Africa and some parts of Asia. The hyena eats meat, often hunting or finding leftovers from other animals. It can live about 12 years in the wild and loves staying in groups called clans. The hyena is smart, strong, and works together with friends to survive in nature. And friends, today let's meet the powerful bluefin tuna. This amazing fish lives in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, near countries like Japan, Spain, and the USA. The bluefin tuna enjoys eating smaller fish, squid, and crustaceans. Known as one of the fastest swimmers, the bluefin tuna can travel very far across oceans. It can live about 15 to 40 years. The bluefin... This is a ostrich. Hi, speedy friends. Let's meet the ostrich, the biggest bird in the world that cannot fly but can run very fast. The ostrich lives in the grasslands and savannas of Africa, in countries like Kenya, South Africa, and Ethiopia. It eats plants, seeds, and sometimes insects while wandering in open fields. The ostrich can live about 40 years and loves running in groups. Isn't the ostrich an amazing and powerful bird of the wild?